guys, it's Morgan and welcome back to my channel.
Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S.
So in today's video, basically I'm going to be showing you guys how to look bomb going back to school, and what I'm going to be doing for that is just showing you guys a makeup routine that I personally would use and that I think is really great for looking super cute and giving a first impression on everybody for your first day of school. But anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to go subscribe down below. Also make sure you hit that thumbs up down below. Also turn on the little bell for post notifications so that every time I upload a video you guys will know. Without further ado guys, let's get into this video. This day, so I'm going to give you guys a makeup routine that I normally do that I think looks good and works for school. And it takes like 15 minutes normally to do, so like it doesn't take too long. So anyway, so basically I first start by just putting lotion on my face so my makeup doesn't look like dry and stuff, so we're gonna do that. So then next I'm gonna take primer, and I typically, I just use like, typically any primer really works for me, so I just use the Sephora Beauty Amplifier primer. Can't get splashed. So basically I got this wet because it helps like your foundation not absorb into the blender. So anyway, just put it all over your face, obviously. Is it just me, or does it take forever to blend your foundation in? Like, ugh. No, but actually it's really loud in here. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys what I'm doing. Okay, so to look for concealer, like, under your eyes, I just do like dots, like that. And then I like put it right here. So like it makes like the tip of your nose like bright. And then I also put it like above my eyebrows. And then I just take a concealer brush and you just like blend it in. So next, I'm just gonna put the powder under my eyes. But basically, I'm just gonna put it under my eye. Now, what am I doing? I'm supposed to do with this. I can't even do my own makeup. I'm just gonna leave that there for a few seconds while I do the rest of my makeup. So next, I'm gonna take, I just use like this L eyeshadow palette. This is a bunch of like neutral shades like browns, blacks, gold, white, those types of things. Okay, I look really good with this powder on my face. I'm gonna blend it in now. So basically, I want to do like a spotlight eye thing. I'm just gonna take this really light tan color right here. I'm gonna apply it all over my eye. Oh. Then you're gonna want to take a dark brown. I'm using this one. Pretty sure I can't even see that. Okay. I'm just taking a dark brown and I'm going to apply it like all, like the outer crease. Yikes. Okay, so anyway, after you do take that, you're going to want to take a blending eyeshadow brush and you're just going to kind of want to blend that into your eye a little bit. You're going to want to go in kind of a shimmery, like a shimmery dark brown. Like I'm going to take this color right here and I'm going to put it in the inner corner. So then, after that, you're going to want to take some concealer, and I'm just using the same concealer I used earlier on my face, which is just like it's just CoverGirl, bought it at Target. And you're just going to want to take like, and put it like right in the center, just a little bit. So now that that's applied into the center, you're just going to want to blend it out, and I just use my finger for this because I find it works best. And so then this is basically just getting it sticky so that you can apply like the more shimmery coat that you're going to do. I'm just going to take this M Princess by Melting Maple, and I'm just going to apply it right to the center. Okay, so now after I do that, I'm going to just blend it out a little bit. It's a loose eyeshadow, it's a loose powder, so it's like, it really gets your hands messy. And everywhere messy, so I don't typically use it. Now that I'm all done with my eyeshadow, I want to take I prefer non-liquid to line your eyes. Do the bottom waterline and the top waterline. I'm gonna take this, I got this, it's called Put a Ring on It Glitter Top Coat from Ulta, and you're just gonna wanna take it with an angled brush, and you're gonna wanna go in the corner of your eye. Like if you guys watch Mia Stammer, she does like a really pretty outlined eye right here, and this is like almost the exact same thing that she does. So after you are done with that, basically we're pretty much done with our eyes. So last thing to do is curl your eyelashes and then put on mascara. So I'm just gonna take, this is my all-time favorite mascara, guys. Not sponsored by the way, but it is by Pure. It's called Fully Charged. I don't know, it's just really nice. I mean, it's kind of expensive, it's like $20. But it's my favorite mascara and it like does really good, so. So now that we're complete with our eyes, we have mascara done, eyeshadow, eyeliner, everything is done with our eyes. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna finish up our face. And basically finishing our face is super simple, super easy. It literally takes like 5 seconds. All you have to do is you're gonna take your bronzer. I use Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. It works really well and it's inexpensive, so what? Inexpensive. So I just take it with a contouring brush that looks like this, and then you're just gonna want to put it like right on your, like if you made a fish face, like you do that crease right there. And then you're also just gonna want to go up here, and then you're going to want to go ahead and you're gonna want to bake. So I'm what is wrong with me? I'm gonna use this, it's also a contouring brush. I'm gonna use it to apply my powder, and you put it like basically right under where you put your bronzer, so like right here. Okay, and then I'm just gonna let it sit there for a few minutes while I bake. I don't know why I called that. Okay, and then I just take a Balm Springs bronzer and I apply it. Where's my brush? I can't see behind this mirror. And I just apply it right on the cheekbone. Highlight, and I use this like, I don't even know what brand it is. It's like some plastic container because it's like a sample. Anyway, and you're just gonna want to apply with a fan brush right here, like on your cheekbone too. Just gonna want to put it right on your nose and right under Cupid's bow. So now we're gonna blend out the stuff that was baking. Now I'm just gonna take this Revlon Color Stay lip liner and I'm gonna line it my lips. And then I'm just gonna take this Lord & Berry Maxi Matte Crayon Lipstick. And then I'm just going to take this Steve Laurent, it's called Lip Icing, it's like basically just lip gloss. So guys, this is the complete makeup look. So thank you so much for watching that video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe down below and give it a thumbs up. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye!